Welcome everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to send money home using the C3 Pay app. The process is simple, secure, and easy to follow. First, log into the C3 Pay app and go to Send Money from the home screen. You will see all beneficiaries that you have previously added. But if you're sending money to someone for the first time, you need to add a new beneficiary. To do this, select Add New Receiver. Next, choose the transfer method you want to use. We will be looking at how to transfer to a bank account. Enter the beneficiary's first name and last name exactly as it appears on their bank account details. Make sure it is correct and then click Next. Now, click on Select Your Bank. From the list, select the correct bank name that your beneficiary has an account in. Then enter the correct bank account number of the beneficiary. Always double-check the account number before moving forward. Enter the amount you want to send and click on Send Now. You will then see a summary screen that includes all the details of your transfer. Carefully read and confirm all the details and click on Make Transfer to submit the transaction. Your transaction is now on the way and the money will reach your beneficiary shortly. Please note that if you are sending money for the first time or to a new beneficiary, the transaction may take some time to process. This is normal and is done for security reasons. For existing beneficiaries, the money is usually sent very quickly or even immediately. That's it. You've successfully completed a money transfer using C3 Pay.